So, today we are going to learn about animals that live in the jungle, where they live, what they eat, and how they stay safe from the animals that eat them. So first, we have a frog. So frogs eat bugs, they live near the water and trees, and they also hide near trees for their predators. Monkeys. Monkeys eat seeds, nuts, bugs, and live in the trees too. They use trees as protection too, so that animals don't eat them. Orangutans. They look a lot like monkeys, but they're a little bit bigger, and as you can see, they have a little bit longer hair. They also live in the trees, and they build nests in the treetops. They eat honey, leaves, and tree bark. Tigers. Tigers eat deer, pigs, buffalo, live in forests, and places they can blend in or camouflage. Oops. Parrots. They eat nuts, flowers, seeds, bugs, live in the trees, and their colorful feathers help them blend in. Butterflies. They eat nectar, live in warm areas, and use trees and their colorful wings to blend in. Okay, so after we would watch the videos, next we would do a matching game. So how this works is on the left side, there will be pictures of animals that we just talked about. And then on the right, there will be what they eat. So in order to do this, you would draw a line to the corresponding thing that they eat. So for example, the butterfly, what does it eat? Well, the correct answer would be it eats nectar. So we would draw the line there, and then so on and so forth. And then for the second one, it's the same thing with the animals on the left and the places they live on the right. So, for example, the tiger. The tiger, as soon as we put on our line, it lives in forests and places they can camouflage. So we would just draw the line straight there, and that's it.